In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Google Drive using Zapier, which is a fantastic tool for automating tasks and improving your workflow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to access Zapier. So, head over to the Zapier homepage. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, which is pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create button. This will allow you to start a new automated workflow. After you click on that, you'll want to select Zaps from the menu. This is where all the automation magic happens, and you'll enter the Automation Builder. Now that you're in the Automation Builder, we need to define the integration. In the Copilot or search box, type Connect Google Drive and Zoom. This tells Zapier what we want to do, and as you select it, you'll see options popping up. Click on Add All Steps to Zap to let Zapier suggest the necessary connection points. This will give you a solid foundation to build your automation. Next, let's set up the trigger. A trigger is an event that starts the automation process. Here you'll select Zoom as your platform and pick a trigger event. For our example, let's use New Recording. This event means whenever there's a new recording in Zoom, it will kick off our automation. So select that option. The next step is to sign in to your Zoom account within Zapier. This will grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Zoom data. Once that's done, click on Test to run a simulation. This will help ensure that Zapier can successfully detect your Zoom recordings. Now let's move on to setting up the action, which is where we define what happens in Google Drive when a trigger occurs in Zoom. Select Google Drive as the app that will receive the data. For the action event, choose something like Upload File, which tells Zapier what you want to happen once a new recording is found in Zoom. Just like before, you need to sign in to your Google Drive account. This connection will allow Zapier access to upload files into your Drive. After you've signed in, it's time to click on Configure. Here, you can set your preferences, such as choosing a specific folder within Google Drive where you want your Zoom recordings saved. This part is important because it keeps your Drive organized. Once you've set everything up, it's time to finalize and publish your Zap. Click Test one more time just to double-check that everything works as intended and that the file uploads seamlessly to your Google Drive. If the test is successful, congratulations, you're almost there. Simply click on Publish to activate the Zap. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Zoom to Google Drive using Zapier. Now, every time a new recording is created in Zoom, it will automatically upload to your designated Google Drive folder. This method not only saves you time, but also keeps your recordings organized and easily accessible. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.